In this video, I'll be going over how to plot points on the coordinate plane. The first thing we gotta make sure that we know of are the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis, where the y-axis is the vertical axis. So for our first example, we have 1 and 6. So 1 would be the x value and 6 would be the y value. So looking at the graph, we have 1, then we want to go 6, and that's where we will plot the dot. This would be 1, 6. For the second example, we have 3 and -5. So that would be 3, and then going downward to 5. So we would plot the dot here, and that's 3, -5. Next, we have -3 and 4. And -3 would be here, and going upward 4, and we'll end right here. So this would be -3 and 4. Now example 4, we have x and y like follow. So -5 is x and -2 is y. So we have -5, then -2. For the fifth example, we have -7, 3. So starting from the origin, we go left to -7, and then we go upward 3 here. So this would be where we would plot the dot, and that would be -7 and 3. And lastly, we have 6 and 1. So 6 would be the x value, and 1 would be the y. So that would be here, and that's 6. So these six examples are how you would plot points on a coordinate plane. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.